Alright, so we're here getting ready to go to the a meet in Austin. It's going to be a showcase. There's going to be a lot of awesome looking cars. There's going to be a ton of bikes. Got it all strapped down already. I'm going to start taking a shower and lock her up and head out to that meet in Austin. See you guys later. Peace. What's going on, everyone? So we're already filled up with gas and we're on our way to Austin, Texas. We got a meet going on over there hosted by ATX Tuner Society. It's like a showcase, a lot of exotic cars, bikes. It's gonna be a fun meet. Hopefully it gets pretty packed. They're saying it's gonna be pretty good, so sit back and enjoy that video. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Also drop a comment, they're very appreciated, so enjoy. There's Wrath right there. Look at that beautiful thing. All right, let's get to it. See you in a bit, guys. Look at that beautiful Texas sunset. Love it. Ooh. All them pretty cars are starting to come in. Vipers, GTRs.
Like, if you're gonna drive through, how about you stop and talk to the guy who's running the event?
Oh, you're running the event?
Yeah.
Oh, better. We're in good hands with
Mm-hmm.
Like, you can't just come up here and say it's private property and drive off. Motherfucker, we got permission to be here.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Nah, we got permit.
Yeah, like, what the fuck?
We're chilling.
I just don't like the way they pulled in, like all fucking jeepers and shit.
Got some of the bike guys over here. Yo, this is really packed, really nice, man. Turning out to be a really cool event. Look at all this. Whew. Ah, damn, look at that C8. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Ooh, the Porsche. Vipers. God, look at this beautiful replica of the Hoonigan.
They say nice. You can do the foot motion. So I have to call the on the down now.
GT500, seen this one before. Another GT500. Man, oh, this beautiful bike right here.
Are you limited or do you change
Ooh-wee.
RPM?
Genuinely, like, first fight. Like, even I didn't want to stand next to it. I left. I was like,
Mr. Micah,
nothing much. How are you doing?
doing all right, man. Beautiful yellow carbon, man. Love it. Oh my God. There's grass right there. Sitting pretty. All the GTRs. Oh my God. GTR galore. Really nice C8. There's Guillermo's. Beautiful, beautiful orange. Oh my God. So look what we got right here, an HP4 race. Man, this thing is pretty. All the carbon on it, carbon wheels. Wow. So we're in here at the Redbox restoration shop. Oh my God. This is so insane, this car. Oh my God. Ooh, talk about detail. Look at the deep dish. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Full carbon. Jesus. Woo. Look at the exhaust right here. Jesus Christ. My favorite car is